And now it's time for the presentation of the ISCA Awards instituted in the name of eminent scientists and presented to eminent scientists from all over the country. The Ashutosh Mukherjee Memorial Award goes to Dr. R. Chidambaram from New Delhi. The C.V. Raman Birth Centenary Award goes to Dr. S. Kailas from Mumbai. Dr. S. Kailas from Mumbai receives the C.V. Raman Birth Centenary Award. The Srinivasa Ramanujam Birth Centenary Award goes to Professor A.S. Kolaskar from Bhubaneswar. The M.N. Saha Birth Centenary Award goes to Dr. Srikumar Banerjee from Mumbai. The P.C. Mahalanobis Birth Centenary Award goes to Dr. P. Ramarao from Hyderabad. The J.C. Bose Memorial Award goes to Professor K. Muralidhar from New Delhi. The P.C. Ray Memorial Award goes to Dr. V.M. Katoch from New Delhi. The H.J. Bhabha Memorial Award goes to Dr. Baldev Raj from New Delhi. The B.P. Pal Memorial Award goes to Dr. S. Ayyappan from New Delhi. The Vikram Sarabhai Memorial Award goes to Dr. Sailesh Nayak from New Delhi. The M.K. Singhal Memorial Award goes to Professor B.P. Sinha from Kolkata. The Professor R.C. Mehrotra Memorial Lifetime Achievement Award goes to Professor Indira Nath from New Delhi. The Millennium Plaque of Honor goes to Professor Santosh Kumar from Bhopal. The Excellence in Science and Technology Award goes to Dr. H.S. Savitri from Bangalore. The Jawaharlal Nehru Prize goes to the founder of KIT and KISS, Achut Dr. Samanta. And now the General President's gold medals. The first gold medal goes to Dr. Richard Ernst from New Zealand. The next medal goes to Dr. Rolf Martin Zinkernagel from Zurich. The next President's Gold Medal goes to Dr. Kurt Wuthrich from Switzerland. Our next gold medal goes to Dr. Polly Roy from the United Kingdom. Our next gold medal goes to Dr. Harish Pant from the USA. Our next gold medalist, Dr. Geta Fleissner from Germany. And our last President's Gold Medal winner, Professor M.K. Sridhar from Karnataka. This is also a very proud and happy moment for Odisha, since the Koraput tribal communities of Odisha are being recognized globally under FAO's globally important agricultural heritage systems. And this is the first such recognition that has come to our country. which emphasizes the importance of traditional knowledge and traditional ecological prudence. So our next two award winners are two Odisha tribals, Srimati Raita Mudil. Recognized for traditional agriculture heritage systems. And our other Odisha tribal to be recognized, Shri Chandra Pradhan. A big hand for Shri Chandra Pradhan.